Hello, in this video, I'm going to introduce you mindfulness meditation as a possible tool in helping you dealing with the various challenges of ADHD, anxiety, and depression. So some of you may have heard of mindfulness already, and many of you may be practicing mindfulness also. But for those of you who have not heard mindfulness, this is a form of meditation. But you don't have to be religious, you don't have to be a Buddhist, certainly you don't have to be a monk or shave your head to do mindfulness meditation. You don't have to be stuck in some weird yoga pose. Mindfulness is about being in the present, ignoring the past, not to consider the future, but just be right here, right now, in the present without anything cluttering your mind. You can think of it as a reboot of your brain. Like when your computer keeps on crashing, you would just reboot it to clear out all the cluttered memories, bad sectors, and random programs that's trying to cause problems with your thinking. Mindfulness clears your mind and allows you to start with a clean slate. So how do you practice mindfulness? Mindfulness is about non-judgmental observation of your thoughts. It's about being in the present, but it's hard for a human brain to focus on nothing at all. Because as soon as I tell you to focus on nothing, inevitably your mind will be hooked on some thoughts. Some train of thoughts will come across and you'll be taken off course and you'll be thinking about something. So the trick of mindfulness and being the present is to focus on your feelings, not your emotions, but your feelings, bodily sensations. How the floor feels to the bottom of your feet, how it pushes back, the sensation of gravity pushing on your back, pushing on your legs and your thighs, the sensation of the air flowing in and out of your nostrils as you breathe in and out. Focus on breathing without trying to control it. And mindfulness takes practice. Initially, when you try to practice mindfulness, your mind is likely to drift and random thoughts tend to intrude into your consciousness. But we will try to be non-judgmental of these thoughts. If you say, oh, there's a deadline that I have to go, I have to meet on Monday, or tomorrow I have to go to a beach cleanup. So what kind of clothes I'm going to be preparing and what kind of sunscreen I'm going to be using. All these random thoughts will come across your mind. But with mindfulness, you'll refocus, redirect your thoughts back to the present, back to your breathing, back to your bodily sensations without judging yourself. So it's too easy to become self-critical saying, oh, I can't do this because my mind is wandering and I can't focus my thoughts. Mindfulness is also about self-compassion, allowing yourself to drift, but not judging your thoughts, not judging your technique. Simply say, oh, my mind is drifting, but that's okay. I will come back and focus on my breathing again. There's so many mindfulness videos. You can search them on YouTube. There are also apps. One of the best one is called Calm. And it will literally take you through the basics of mindfulness meditation. And it has daily meditation sessions that focuses on various aspects of your life and your mental health. And these tools can be indispensable when it comes to managing ADHD and anxiety, which often come hand in hand. With ADHD, intrusive thoughts is part of the condition itself. But with self compassion and forgiveness, you won't judge yourself. You don't have to attach any value, negative feelings to these thoughts. You simply accept them and accept yourself, who you are. So take a moment. You can close your eyes and clear your mind and try to focus your thoughts on your breathing. Specifically, focus on your thoughts on the sensation of the cool air that's going in and out of your nostrils. Feel the sensation how the floor pushes back on your feet. Focus the sensation how you're carrying your shoulders. If there's any tension, focus on that and relax and let it go. If your mind wanders, bring it back without judgment and refocus your thoughts on your breathing again. And at first, you will take a lot of tries to bring your thoughts back to the present. But with practice, you will become better and better at this. Okay. Have a wonderful rest of your day.